What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from washing out and flooding by running out their downspout. So let's get right into it. All right, as you can see right here, they had this one downspout. They had a bunch of trees that were here. I guess it made a valley, so they took out the trees. Was trying to have everything regraded, but this downspout is washing everything away. As you can see by the trails, water's going that way, it's going this way, and he wants to make sure he tries to keep his topsoil and seed so everything can regrow. So we're going to take the downspout from where it is and take it out roughly almost 30 feet to right about in here, so that way the water won't be washing everything out, and then everything can come down, build up here, facilitate all over the ground here and help water the grass. So let's get started. And here we go. Now we have it all dug out, ready to put the pipe in and get the level. So let's get to it. And here we go, have it all piped up now. Got the clean out. Everything comes down. As you can see, we are more than down huddle level. So as soon as all the water starts coming down, it's going to shoot all the way over to here to the mini dry well, which we have the holes drilled, burrito wrapped everything. We got the rock. We burrito wrap it over so that way it lasts as long as possible. And now all the water is going to come down, build up into the mini dry well. And then when that maxes out, it's going to overfill, go into the grass, and water all this grass. Now to backfill and show you how it works. And here we go. This is how you test the system. Put the hose and the clean out furthest back. All the water is going to come all the way down here. As you can see, it's freezing out here, so we had ice chunks everywhere. But it fills up the mini dry well. When the mini dry well is full, and it'll keep overflowing up and up, and then it will come out and facilitate all on the ground and water all this. So now we just wait for the water to build up. And here we go. This is how it works. Right now we only have hose power, but in an actual rain event, this will be up blasting out water like crazy, and then the waters are going to come all down and water all this for them. This is exactly how you prevent water from either washing out next to your house or flooding inside your crawl space or basement by simply running out your downspouts a minimum of at least 10 feet away from the house. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.